I gotta ask you, I know what chaps my hide? It's the fact that you're out here trying to enjoy nature, right? That's why I'm out here, I'm trying to enjoy nature, and I'm walking a path. And you know what? There's sticks in the road, I tripped, the one tripped me up, I almost fell down, okay, gnats, bugs in your face, things like that. I mean, can you guys believe that? I'm out here trying to enjoy nature, and I got nature getting in my way. I mean, really, inconsiderate, right? I mean, who does that? I mean, you gotta understand, okay? Please don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next rant.